Mouth mirror, the dentist's third eye. A small angled, highly reflective glass mirror attached to a stainless steel handle. It allows the dentist to see behind the teeth, reflect bright overhead light into dark areas, and safely hold the tongue out of the way. Dental Explorer, the cavity finder, also known as a sickle probe. This terrifying-looking stainless steel pick features a razor-sharp hook tip. Dentists use this to physically scratch the surface of the enamel, searching for soft spots that indicate tooth decay. Periodontal probe, the gum measurer, a long, thin, blunt-ended metal instrument. If you look closely, the tip is laser engraved with tiny, precise millimeter markings. The dentist slides this gently under your gum line to measure bone loss and check for gum disease. Cotton pliers, the sterile tweezers. These heavy-duty angled forceps feature tightly serrated gripping tips. Because the dentist's gloved fingers are too bulky, these are used to precisely place or remove tiny cotton rolls, wedges, and medication directly inside the mouth. Air water syringe, the pressure washer, a heavy metallic handpiece connected directly to the dental chair. It features two distinct buttons, allowing the dentist to blast a highly pressurized stream of water to rinse away debris, or pure air to dry the tooth for a filling. Saliva ejector, the slow suction, that familiar flexible plastic tube that hangs onto the corner of your lip. It has a soft, slotted plastic tip to prevent it from sucking up your tongue and operates on a low-pressure vacuum to constantly drain saliva while the dentist works. HVE tube, the high-volume evacuator. This thick, rigid plastic pipe is the saliva ejector's big brother, held by the dental assistant. It uses massive vacuum power to aggressively suck up large amounts of water, blood, and flying tooth dust before you can choke on it. Bite block, the jaw saver, also known as a mouth prop. A dense wedge-shaped piece of sterile rubber. Placed in the back corners of your mouth, it gives your tired jaw muscles a solid place to rest, forcibly keeping your mouth wide open during long procedures. Dental bib clip, the spill protector, a simple but essential accessory. It features a flexible rubber or metal chain with heavy-duty alligator clips on each end. The dental assistant wraps this securely around your neck to hold the waterproof paper bib in place, protecting your clothes. Dental loops, the microscopic vision. Customized heavy-duty glasses worn directly by the dentist. They feature protruding surgical-grade magnification barrels attached directly to the lenses. They enlarge the dentist's field of view by up to 5 times, allowing them to see microscopic fractures hiding in the enamel. High-speed handpiece, the dentist drill. Powered by compressed air, this turbine spins at over 400,000 RPMs. It slices through solid tooth enamel like butter, while spraying a constant mist of water to prevent severe heat damage. Low-speed handpiece, the heavy-duty grinder. Thicker and heavier than the high-speed drill, this motorized tool operates at a much slower pace with higher torque. Dentists use it for precisely removing soft decay, polishing teeth, and adjusting the fit of crowns. Dental burr, the cutting bit. A microscopic, incredibly sharp attachment that locks right into the handpiece. Often coated in actual diamond dust or made of tungsten carbide, these tiny rotary blades do the actual physical cutting and shaping of the tooth. Spoon excavator, the cavity scraper. A small double-ended stainless steel hand tool. Instead of using a loud drill, the dentist uses these tiny, sharp spoon-shaped tips to manually scoop out soft, decayed dentin from deep inside the tooth. Amalgam carrier, the metal loader, the unique syringe-like metal instrument. Used specifically for old-school silver fillings, it packs a dense mixture of liquid mercury and silver alloy into its hollow tip, allowing the dentist to inject it directly into the prepped cavity. Dental condenser, the heavy packer, also known as a plugger, a solid steel instrument with flat blunt ends. Once the filling material is dropped into the tooth, the dentist pushes down hard with this tool to aggressively compress the material, eliminating dangerous air pockets. Dental burnisher, the final smoother, a hand instrument featuring smooth, rounded, ball-like tips. After the filling is tightly packed, the dentist rubs this metal ball firmly across the surface to polish the restoration and ensure it seamlessly blends with the natural tooth edge. Composite syringe, the modern tooth builder, a specialized black plastic tube filled with light-sensitive resin paste. This is the material for modern, invisible tooth-colored fillings. The dentist extrudes this thick paste perfectly into the cavity to flawlessly recreate the missing tooth structure. Curing light, the instant hardener, a high-tech handheld wand that emits an incredibly intense blue LED light. Because modern fillings go in soft like clay, the dentist blasts the resin with this specific wavelength of light to chemically freeze it into solid rock in less than 20 seconds. Articulating paper, the bite checker. Small strips of specialized ink-coated blue or red paper held by metal forceps. At the very end of the appointment, the dentist asks you to bite down and grind your teeth on this paper, leaving bright ink marks on any high spots so that they can perfectly adjust your bite.